Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy James. I'm back at it with yet again another video for you. So in this one, I'm going to be showing you how you can be getting CotoMovies on your iOS device. All right, so as you can see, I do have it on my iPhone. So this is working on iPhone, iPod, and iPad, I believe. I haven't tested out iPad, but I'm going to assume that it is in fact working. So I'm just going to cover how you can be doing this really quick. So let's jump on into it, shall we? So open up your browser on your phone. In this case, I'm using Safari. This would work on Android as well, by the way. I forgot to mention that, so a little update for you. So yeah, anyways, as soon as you have your browser open, just go to the following website, all right? The website is mobilenerds.net/Koto. So as you can see there, that's the website, so it's just mobilenerds.net/Koto. Gonna go to that website there. Okay, so as you can see here, it is for both iOS and Android, as you can see right there. It was last updated today, apparently. And basically, it's just a whole injection process. It's gonna go through, download, the CotoMovies onto your phone. It's really easy, just because, there again, you can't really get this anymore from the official website. So this is working, in fact, though, for, there again, iOS devices especially. So all you got to do is press perform injection, and it's just going to start up the process here. So you want to make sure for the app to be injected properly, you need to make sure you have a stable internet connection. So in this case, we do. And then you want to make sure that you have at least 20% battery, which also we have. So you want to press the start button below to start the injection process. When you're ready, just press start injection. And now it's just going to go through and download the required files and basically just go through the whole process here. So because I already have this installed on my phone, I'm not going to be able to essentially redo it. I'm going to just walk you through the steps here real quick. So it's just going to check your device information. It's going to download the most recent CotoMovies IPA. So that's if you're on iOS. On Android, I believe that's APK. And then we'll just wait here. And then we're going to have to do some additional downloads here. Okay, awesome. So basically right here, it's saying required. All you got to do is essentially be downloading other apps, and the CotoMovies app is injected through these applications. So those apps have the required files to essentially complete the injection process. So all you need to do is just tap on complete injection. And like I said, because I've already done this, I'm just going to quickly explain this, and I'm just going to, open up one of these apps here to explain this. So we couldn't download the required files on the website for your device. That's pretty normal. Please download and run 2 free apps below to complete the CotoMovies injection. And then as soon as you're finished, the app will be on your device upon completion. So as you saw there on my phone. So all you want to do is download and install 2 applications. In this case, I already have both of these, but let's just do Norton Secure VPN. Download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So, in this case, Tennis Clash, you could do that too. Your apps might be different, or it might be something completely different. I'm not too sure. This is just for me. All you want to do though, tap on that free button. And as it said, you would do 2 applications, but in this case, we're just going to do the 1. So if you don't have the app downloaded and installed like I do here, you're going to want to download and install it. And as soon as you've done that, just fire it up and complete what it said there. So play it for 30 seconds. So just agree to the terms, continue. And you can start up this 7-day free trial. If you don't have a VPN, I definitely highly recommend this one. It's really good. So yeah, basically you're going to be on this app for 30 seconds. As soon as you're finished that, you're going to go back to your web browser, download and install a second application. As soon as you're done that, as soon as you complete the steps for that, okay, you're going to then essentially go back to your web browser. It'll give you like an alert, or it'll redirect you, just letting you know that it has successfully been installed. As soon as it has successfully been installed, you can close out of that website there, and you guys officially have CotoMovies on your iOS device. So as I said, there it is. If you guys find this video helpful, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below letting others know as well, and subscribe to my channel for future content. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, everyone. Peace.